If you're in the market for a premium Dolby Atmos soundbar, you've probably come across two of the best in the game, the Sonos Arc Ultra and the Sony Bravia Theatre Bar 9. Both are top-tier soundbars packed with cutting-edge audio technology, but which one deserves a place in your home? In this in-depth comparison, we'll break down their design, features, sound performance, and value to help you decide which flagship soundbar is right for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Plus, check out the links in the description for the best deals on these soundbars. Let's dive in. At first glance, the Sonos Arc Ultra looks familiar, and that's because it retains much of the design language from its predecessor, the Sonos Arc. But look closer, and you'll notice some key refinements. It's 18% more compact, making it less likely to obstruct your TV screen, and it features a new ledge on the back that houses touch controls. The Bluetooth pairing button is now tucked into the recess with the HDMI and power ports, making it a bit tricky to reach. The Sony Bravia Theatre Bar 9 takes a different approach. It's slightly longer than the Sonos, but is covered in a soft fabric that seamlessly blends into most living rooms. The build quality is top-notch, and the fabric covering gives it a more premium aesthetic. Both soundbars are visually appealing, and while the Sonos is more minimalist, the Sony offers a subtle yet sophisticated touch. When it comes to design, it's a matter of personal preference. This round is a tie. Let's talk features. The Sonos Arc Ultra boasts a 9.1.4 channel configuration and introduces Sonos's new Sound Motion technology, enhancing bass performance in a compact form factor. It supports Dolby Atmos, but does not support DTS-X. Meanwhile, the Sony Bravia Theatre Bar 9 houses 13 individual drivers and quad-passive radiators to create Sony's 360 spatial sound mapping, delivering a more immersive experience with both Dolby Atmos and DTS-X support. When it comes to connectivity, the Sony Bravia Theatre Bar 9 has a clear edge. It features an HDMI 2.1 input supporting 4K 120Hz, VRR, and ALLM, making it an excellent choice for gamers. The Sonos Arc Ultra, on the other hand, lacks HDMI inputs, meaning all sources must go through your TV's EARC port. Both soundbars support Bluetooth, AirPlay, and Spotify Connect for seamless wireless streaming. They also feature room calibration technology, Sony's Soundfield Optimization, and Sonos's TruePlay. And for those invested in the Sonos ecosystem, the Arc Ultra integrates effortlessly into a multi-room setup. With superior HDMI connectivity and broader format support, the Sony Bravia Theatre Bar 9 takes the lead in this round. Now, let's talk about what matters most: sound quality. Both soundbars deliver phenomenal audio, but they do it differently. The Sony Bravia Theatre Bar 9 provides a vast and immersive soundstage, excelling in spatial organization. It's dynamic, clear, and incredibly open, making movies feel larger than life. However, while its bass is deep and powerful, it can sometimes feel a little overpronounced. The Sonos Arc Ultra is a significant upgrade over its predecessor. It delivers precise, crisp, and tightly controlled audio. The bass is deep but well-balanced, ensuring clarity without overwhelming the mids and highs. And in movies like Blade Runner 2049, it handles deep bass notes beautifully. So, which one sounds better? The Sony has a wider, more spacious sound, while the Sonos offers greater precision and clarity. It ultimately comes down to your preference. Do you want deeper, more cinematic bass or a more refined and controlled audio experience? It's another tie. Both soundbars sit in the premium price category. The Sonos Arc Ultra is priced at $999, while the Sony Bravia Theatre Bar 9 originally launched at $1,400 but has seen price drops to around $1,098 and even $999 in recent sales. While the Sony started out as the more expensive option, its recent price cuts level the playing field. Given its stable pricing and premium Sonos ecosystem integration, the Arc Ultra takes the edge in value. So, after breaking it all down, which soundbar should you buy? If you want superior HDMI connectivity and a more open soundstage, the Sony Bravia Theatre Bar 9 is the way to go. But if you prefer precise, high-quality audio and seamless Sonos integration, the Arc Ultra is the perfect pick. In the end, both are fantastic choices, and your decision should come down to what matters most to you. Which soundbar would you choose? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this comparison helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth tech reviews. Plus, check out the links in the description for the best deals on these soundbars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.